You see this. Fine, students. Is it fine, students? Can you see my screens? Both the screens? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Let me wait for other participants. Okay, fine. So let me start the session. Okay. You see that here, students, I've created a box weight. Okay. I've created an object of a class called box weight. And what's the type of B1? The type of B1 is nothing but is box weight. Box weight is the name of the class. Is the name of the class. No, right? Done it. Okay. Now, so in order to compute the volume, so now in order to compute the volume of this box, so B1 is a box. In order to compute the volume of the box, I can write it B1 dot volume. B1 dot. What this volume is trying to do? This volume is trying to return the volume. Since it's trying to return the volume, let me put in system dot out dot println. And this we are seeing volume, volume of box. Volume of box. This is the volume of the box. All right, children. This is the volume of the box. Okay. And next, you need to print the weight of the box. How to print the weight of the box? So, print system.out.println weight of box given dot. That's right. So, in order to run this program, what I said, this entire code is placed inside your main method. That is public static void main. Okay. String yeah, gs. This entire code you need to place inside your main method. As you know that uh, in Java, we should write everything in classes. So this entire main method, you should encapsulate inside the class or into place inside the class called demo. Open, so, open here. Okay. The class which I opened, I need to close here. And that's all. That's what I've done. And done with my code. As you right, students, so you see that how nicely I've computed the volume of the box, right? That how I've computed the volume of the box and the weight of the box, right? I hope you understood this program. So what is the advantage of inheritance? The most important thing is advantage of inheritance and but is code reusable. It's code reusable. D user is the importance of inheritance or advantage of inheritance. Okay. You see that here. I'm going to have used class called box weight, which is trying to extend box. Okay. What I'm trying to all the members of this, not constructor. All the members. You see that is the members and this volume. This both members. You see that I'm trying to inherit. I'm trying to inherit inside this class called box weight. I'm trying to inherit. Otherwise, what we have to do? The same block of code we need to write inside this class called box weight. Instead of writing the code, what I've done, I've just have inherited from my base class. I inherited from my super class. That is this box. Yeah. And what's the output of this program? You see that here, I'm trying to create. What's the output of this program? Here I'm trying to create an object of a class called box weight. And how many arguments I'm passing? 3 arguments. So 10 will go to W. The value of W will be 10. And 20 will go to H. And the value of H will be 20. Okay. And 5 will go to D. And the value of D will be 5. Okay. And 100 will go to weight. That is here. Will become. Next, what I'm trying to do system.out.println. The volume of the box is I'm trying to call B1 dot volume. What is b1 dot volume? Here I'm trying to compute width into height into depth. And what's the value of width? That is 10 into this height is 20 and depth is 5. Okay. So the value here is totally I'll get 1000. So this 1000 I'm trying to print. b1 dot volume is nothing but I'm going to print here as 1000. Is that right? And next what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to print b1 dot weight. And what's the weight I was assigned? It is 100 I was assigned. The weight will be 100. So the output will be the volume of box colon 1000. Let me write the output. I think not write the output. I think you know that, right? The output will come like this. Yeah, let's write it. Output like this. Volume of box. Volume of box colon get 1000 output. Then next output I will get weight of the box. I will get weight of box. Weight of box. I will get colon 100. Is the output I'll be getting. Right? Yeah. I hope you understood the importance of inheritance. Okay. The importance of inheritance is nothing but is code reusability. Right. So any questions, students? You can ask. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions, students? Okay, no questions. That's well and good. Let me clear all my drawings. Let me share my screen. That's what it says. This is what it says in textbook. Okay. So once we create a superclass, that defines attributes common to set of objects. Okay, is the superclass what is trying to do? Is superclass is trying to define attributes that are common to set of objects. What attributes it has defined? These are the attributes. Okay, these are the attributes which it has defined. Okay, these attributes, so that superclass defines the attributes common to set of objects, and this can be used, these attributes can be used to create any number of more specific subclasses. We can use these attributes in order to create more number of specific subclasses. And just now we have seen, we have created a subclass called box weight. With respect to the subclass called box weight, these three attributes are common. That's what it says. Once we create superclass that defines attributes, these attributes, that is weight, height, and depth, these attributes are common. These attributes are common to a set of objects. Okay, means these attributes are common to a class called box, that is my superclass, and these attributes will be inherited by a class called box weight. And not only that, you can include one more class. So let us assume that a new boss has come. A new boss has said that, okay, along this width, height, and depth, I want to include the color of the box. A new boss has said that along with width, height, and depth, I want to include the color of the box. In such a case, what you can do, you can write a class. Okay. And the name of this class you can write as box color. Box color, and is trying to extend a class called box. See that? Now what I can write here? I can write int color. Okay. Probably I'm using some color coding. If it is 1 means I can think as red. 1 is an integer value, right? So 1 means red, 2 means blue. Like that I can use some color coding. You see that? That's what it says. Once we define a superclass, so box is a superclass. Once we define a superclass, that defines attributes common to a set of objects. Okay, the superclass has defined some attributes which are common to a set of objects. Okay, so these attributes are common to an object called box weight, and these attributes are common to an object called box color. Okay, that's what it says. So that's why we call it the advantage of inheritance is code reusability. Not write the code again and again. The code can be inherited. Yes, students, I have done. If you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave the session, and that's all for today's class. Have a nice day. Any questions you can ask, otherwise you can leave the session. Okay, students, and that's all for today's class. Have a nice day. I hope there are no questions, right? Yeah.